Hello everyone, myself Kavya Gandhi and my friend Shiv. We are from BTech CSE Data Science. We are pursuing from NMIMS Shirpur and today I am going to explain about inheritance. Introduction to inheritance. Inheritance Inheritance is a mechanism in object-oriented programming language. It allows a child class to acquire properties and behaviors of a parent class. And the parent class is also called as superclass, and the child class is known as subclass. Like this is parent class, and the derived form from this is a child class. So it helps to create a hierarchical relationship between classes. So key features of inheritance. It gives reusability of existing code. Subclass can access members of the superclass. Promotes encapsulation and organization of code. Uneven code extends without modifying the original class, which we don't have to modify the class. We can modify the subclass also. This is a syntax of Java inheritance. So this is a parent class which is derived from the keyword known as extends, which is derived from superclass. So basically this parent class derived the child class, which here is known as superclass and subclass. The extends is implement for inheritance. Extends indicating inheritance or taking. Implements means providing or giving. And this is for C++ inheritance, for example. So this is a simple program for inheritance. This is a class shape. This class shape have a function named display. Here we will print this is a shape. So this is class rectangle extends shape. So basically the shape is a parent class and rectangle is a child class. So this rectangle is child class which have a keyword extends. And it have a function void area and have integer values for length and width. So here we will print area of rectangle L into W, which is everyone knows about that. So another thing is void area and will take this value. So now we have class circle which extends shape. We have here radius as well, and same here we have void area for area of circle. And the simple structure for this program is this is shape and this is rectangle and this is circle. This is a simple and easy structure for this simple program. Now we learn the code from this side. Now we will go for main function. This main function have a public static void by string as this is a syntax for the main function. Now we will call the function. We will call it from through objects. So this is rectangle R equals to rectangle. So we have called the function, and here R display which will display an area. So we will call this function as well. So here this will give the value, this is a shape and area of rectangle equals to this. So same as well we will do for that circle and as well. Circle C equals new circle. The circle extends shape. This is a class, but we have to give this class a name. So we have given and called the new circle. Now here we have displayed this function Again, so it will also give, this is an area, and this will give you the area of circle by this call function. So the output will be, this is a shape in area of rectangle, this is a circle, this is a shape, area of circle. This will be the simple output of this program. Now, what is types of inheritance? Types of inheritance have 4 types: single, multi-level, hierarchical, hybrid, and multi-level. These have the syntax. Single inheritance have class A, class B extends class A. This is single inheritance function. What is multi-level inheritance function? Like one parent class have another child class, and that child class have another child class. So this parent class is now this parent class have a child class, and then for this child class, this is a parent class. This is known as multi-level inheritance function. This is syntax for that. Now, for other hierarchical inheritance function, this is a structure for that. This is a structure for hierarchical inheritance, and this is a syntax for that. Hybrid inheritance also, and this is a syntax for that. Now we'll learn what is multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance have 2 parents and 1 child class, which is not possible from Java inheritance, but it is possible through interface and can be used to achieve multiple inheritance. So we can call for interface if we want to have multiple inheritance, but through Java it is not possible. But in C++ it is possible to multiple inheritance. Now, what is advantages of inheritance? It gives reusability, reduced redundant coding, improves program structures and readability, allows method overriding. This is the simple advantages of inheritance function. Now, conclusion. Here the conclusion is, inheritance is a core concept of object-oriented programming languages, which is held to learn in Java, Python, and C++, and many other languages. It helps to create relationships between classes, like we just understood the parent class derived to child class, and other more relationships as well. Improve code and reusability and maintainability. If we want to change the child class, we don't have to go to change to parent class. So this is a simple maintainability and reusability which improves through inheritance. Now, widely used in a modern programming language like Java, Python, C++, which I discussed just now. Now, my friend Shiv will continue from this.
So hello, I am Shiv and I am going to explain further the code, which is the example of the inheritance proof. So this is the animal class which we have created, and this is the main parent class. This animal class has the function named eat. This is going to print animal eats food. Now, moving further, we created a dog class which is extended by the animal class. So, this dog class can be termed as the child class of animal class. This dog class has the function bark, which is going to print dog barks. Now, this is an example of single inheritance. Further, when we move in further in the program, we see the puppy class, which is extending the dog class, which have a function weed and is going to print puppy weeds. Now here we can see animal class, dog class was derived from the animal class, and the puppy class is derived from the dog class. So this type of inheritance can be termed as multi-level inheritance. And here a cat class is created, which is extending the animal class, and the cat class has a function meow, which is gonna print cat meows. Now here we can see the animal class has two child classes, dog and cat. So this type of inheritance is called hierarchical inheritance. So moving forward we have main class, which has a function, which has its main function, and here we have created the dog object named dog. This is the object in which it has functions d.eat and d.bark. Further, we created a object for puppy, which has function eat, bark and weed. And then again we created a cat object for cat, which has the function eat and meow. Now now further we move towards the class diagram of this program. So animal, this is the class diagram of animal, which is function eat. Here there is a name, attributes and function. Now the animal class derives the dog class, which has the function bark, and this dog class derives the puppy class, which has the function weeds. Now this animal class also derives the cat class, which has the function meow. So this is the final diagram of the inheritance program code. Thank you.